How's it going, everybody? It's Picker Nation here, and I did hit the flea market today, and I did hit a home run with the Johnny Lightnings and the Jada. So let's get into it, guys. And this is gonna be a big video, so I'm hoping you stay tuned and check it out. These are what I picked up today. Lightning rods. I got a '67 Camaro SS. Looks gray, gray with clear tires. Pretty decent. Then we picked up the 60 Sizzle with a 65 Pontiac Catalina. It's like the Parisian, same thing. It has a little box inside there. Awesome. I got another lightning rod. A 71 Buick GSX. No hood, it's just got the motor popping out. Clear tires with the flashy paint on the rims. Yeah, I was quite happy to see how many cars were sitting there waiting for me. There was a guy buying them there, and I was just waiting for him to get out of the way so I could get the rest of them that were there. Here's a '98 Dodge Viper from the Poker series. It's a nice heavy casting. It's got the fuzzy seats like the poker tables. That's pretty neat. And we have a black with flames. It's a 71 Mercury Cyclone. Oh yeah, it's got the old scorcheroonies on there. Well, I don't know what the date. So these are like, a lot of them are from like the range from 2000, 2005. I saw that one before. 70 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Oh yeah. Look what I found here. A 66 Ford Bronco. Johnny Lightning. Working class. There it is. Looks like a Jeep. Okay, check this one out. I think I know who might really like this. So if I see you shout it out, it's yours. I mean, it's got to be the one I'm thinking, though. The person I'm thinking, so don't want everyone shout at once. It's by Motomax. Probably a Maisto Motomax. It's got rubber tires on there anyway. What else do we got? A 57 Corvette. Oh, look at that Camaro. We have a '98 Camaro. It's got the Chevy emblems on there. The color trails. He's speeding so fast. Alright. What else do we got? A 2004 Pontiac GTO. A little bit dusty on the container, and some kind of another Chevy SSR with the fuzzy seats, Poker series. But oh, we have another one of those Camaros, so I'll put that aside. Here we have the 62 Plymouth Sport Fury. That's got Puchef Morobi all over it. Let me know if you want that. Alright, what else we got here? 66 Pontiac GTO. These are all Johnny Lightnings I'm going through here, so I don't have to repeat that 100 times. Oh, check it out. There we go. Another Corvette 2002. Volkswagen. There it is. Carmen Ghia. I don't know about the color of that, but it's a Volkswagen nonetheless. And then we have the '59 Chevy Impala. White and red. Now that's a beaut. Those white tires there. Crazy amount of detail. Nice. I won't have room for all these here, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but we'll go through them anyway. 1995 Chevy Impala. I know a guy drove one of those, drove around like he was a fake cop. Chevy Camaro, 2001. And we have another Pontiac GTO. I'll probably have many doubles here. I haven't gone through any of this. I got there, I cleared the table off. We have another one of those. A 33 Willys pickup. Black with flames. That's pretty nice. Have to move a couple of these out of the way here. Alright, what else are we going through? Here's another Camaro and another Carmen Ghia. I don't know, but I don't really like that style of Camaro. Just my choice. Here we have a 71 Ford Mustang convertible. Crazy detail. More doubles. A 72 Buick Riviera from the Spoiler series. Pretty nice. 2003 Nissan 350X. Black with the red accents. There's a 70 Plymouth GTX. Wow. Gotta rip that out of there right away. Cool. 71 Chevy Chevelle. I think that one there I'm gonna toss for Nick. I know you're a Chevelle guy. Put that aside for you. What do we have here? 69 GTO, black with flames. Camaro. Looks like it's got a sticker. Price tag was pulled off. Pontiac Trans Am, actually. Aha. Oh, there's another double. I can't find any doubles. 2001 Camaro SS. With the Krager rims. 65 Chevy Deuce. High performance. Wow. I'm being smothered with Johnny's. Smothered with Johnny Lightnings. Okay, so we got a 68 Chevy Chevelle. Different version of the other one there. Okay, put those aside. Here we go. Goat Buster 64 Pontiac GTO. Decent. We got a 70 Nova. That's Chevy orange. I guess we have El Camino. 65 El Camino, red interior. Nice. Wow, we're just about halfway through there. Pontiac GTO. Okay, we have 3 Corvettes. These are from '99, I know that one. 63 Grand Sport, that's pretty nice. Yeah, we have another Chevy Nova. Pretty decent. It's that kind of a pale yellow. Here we go. Another 63 Corvette. Yellow rim, yellow body. Huh, another Carmen Gia. Beep beep. Alright, what else do we have? Another 67 GTO with spoiler series. There, that's pretty nice. 69 Yanko Camaro. Oh, that's a beaut right there. Pretty heavy. It's heavy, heavy. Oh, another Carmen Gia. We'll see with them. Make some new homes with those. Another Corvette. 65 Vet. Oh, an ugly Firebird with the green and pink and black. And another couple doubles. Oh, look what I got here. Where's the... What did I do with that other? Hey, I'm missing one. There's a Volkswagen. Johnny Lightning. The Samba bus. Anyways, I think that's about it for the Johnnies. In that case, we'll end her there. And oh, I just had one more here. Let's end it on this one here. 71 Challenger White Lightning Zingers. Gotta love the White Lightnings. Alright guys, that's the Johnny Lightnings. We will be back at you with the Jada Big Time Muscle. And they are sharp. They are crisp. Alright, so we'll talk to you later guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.